Before I started working with Lexington, um, I concealed a lot of the information that were on my credit reports from my wife because I think the overwhelming feeling was I was ashamed. Lexington gave me that hope that, hey, no, you could do something about this, and that's what they've done. Number one, of course, my credit score has gone up. My highest one right now is with TransUnion at 647. I started at 524 when before Lexington got involved. So I'm out at 647 now, which is really exciting. I'm shooting for 700. Now I'm down to literally one or two accounts left on my credit file on each credit reporting agency. And I look back, and I have kept record of this. It's just a massive book. I brought it in today, and it's just a massive book of information that has all these accounts. And every time I would get a deletion, I put it on an Excel spreadsheet. It'd go from red to blue, and I have so many blues now. It's just crazy. Every now and then, I would get a letter from the credit reporting agency, whether it be TransUnion, Experian, or Equifax, and the letter would state, that there was no need for me to hire a third party to do credit repair work on my credit file. And I realized, I said, well, why? And they would always send me these letters. They would always be the same letter over and over again. And I realized, well, why is it that they're so insistent on me not using a credit repair agency? First of all, they don't make any money by investigating your disputes. If you dispute an account on your credit record, they make no money off of that. But by law, they have to investigate it. You can have the worst possible credit you can think of, because I know I had that. Believe me, I had just horrendous credit. I really did. And I thought all hope was lost. There's just no way I'm going to get out of this mess. It was just such a tangle that I wasn't going to be able to undo. And if you're there already, if you made that mistake, if you made that error, and you think, okay, now what do I do? I'm in a jam. There's no way I can take care of this. Do what I did. At the very least, seek help. If it's not from Lexington, seek somebody that'll help you. But know one thing from me, that the people that I hired at Lexington, they came through for me, and they still are taking care of my credit record. When they're done fixing my credit report, I'm going to be where I've always wanted to be, and that is I'll have the confidence, the ability to go out there and apply for credit here, purchase that there, even get a job elsewhere. It'll be peace of mind is probably the bottom line. I'll have that satisfaction and that peace of mind of saying, hey, you know what, I'm good to go now.